So let's talk about the HUD Repair Escrow. This is for a HUD house found on HUDhomestore.gov. I can help you anywhere in the country buy a HUD house, by the way. HUDhomestore.gov. HUD has a concept that says if the house is broken, and most of them are, if the house is torn up and there are certain things about the house that where the house does not meet FHA minimum requirements, I'll tell you from the roof to the floor, the roof has to work, no broken or missing windows or doors, the flooring has to be in place. I mean, you can't look down and see subflooring. It's got to be carpet or linoleum or pick one. It's got to have something. The flooring has to be there. The heat has to work. The water heater has to work. It has to be a functional house. If there's AC, it has to work. If there's no AC, it's not a big deal. That's weird to me, but that's how FHA is. So those are the things that FHA says, if these things aren't working and it's a HUD house and you're buying the house with an FHA loan, you're an owner occupant, you can borrow extra for repairs. They will loan you up to $10,000. You obviously have to qualify because that is part of the loan. So here's how it works. You got a $100,000 house. You bid on it and you win the contract. You've got 45 days to close and you find out, hey, the repairs on this property are going to be about $8,000. So HUD will actually loan you an extra 10%. They will allow your lender to loan you an extra 10%. So out of the $8,000, they'll loan you $8,800. Here's how it works. All the repairs that loan is for are going to be done after you buy it. Anybody tells you anything different, they're making it up. Okay, here's how it works. You get a $100,000 house. The lender says, okay, we'll loan you $100. We'll also loan you an extra $8,000 plus 10%. We'll loan you $8,800 more. The ceiling is $10,000. We'll loan you that for repairs. You, Mr. Buyer, you, Mr. New Homeowner, you two, Joe and Mary Ordinary, you guys are going to get the contractors in there to fix it after you buy it. Anybody says any different, they're making it up. Here's how it works. The lender loans you $100. You get the keys to your house. HUD gets $100,000 from the lender. The lender holds back that repair escrow. In this example, it's $8,000 plus 10%, so it's $8,800. Congratulations, you just bought a HUD house. Your agent, if they know what they're doing, is going to coordinate with contractors to do certain things, have them in place to where after the closing, they're going to go in. They don't have to do it right then. They can do it 2 weeks later. HUD and your lender wants it done within 30 days. But let's just pretend it's roof, flooring, HVAC, and water heater. All four of those different trades, that's 4 different tradesmen, from the roof to the carpet to the water heater to the HVAC. They're going to come in and do the work. We, the agents, are going to coordinate, make sure they're not stumbling and fumbling all over each other. And once everyone is finished, the appraiser comes back. He's in the house. This is after you own the house now. You've been in the house 25 days. The appraiser comes back. He's in the house 90 seconds. He doesn't care who did the repairs. All he is doing, all he's confirming is, were the repairs done? Before he backs out of the driveway, he's calling the lender saying all the repairs were done, and then all 4 of those trades, all 4 of those contractors, that's when they get paid. So nobody gets paid up front. Nobody gets paid, hey, I did my work. What are we waiting for? Where's my check? So you did the roof. The HVAC guy that's the only one we're waiting on. We already got carpet and water heater. We're just waiting on the HVAC guy. And once he's done, everybody will get paid. So that's how it works. That's how a HUD repair escrow works when the buyers are owner occupants with an FHA loan. You heard it here first. It can be reached at 404 Eclipse. We'll talk soon. Thanks.